topics. I hope you have seen my previous video. Before going further, we will discuss the video which I have sent you yesterday. In my yesterday video, we have talked about these topics. We have started the session 3, care and maintenance of a computer. In the care and maintenance of a computer, I have told you there are two types of the maintenance. First is hardware maintenance and next is the software maintenance. In hardware maintenance, I have told you some tips which you can follow to maintain the quality of the hardware components of the computer. Next, there is the software maintenance. How you can maintain the quality of the software which you have already installed in your PC. So before starting the software maintenance, I told you about the viruses. What is the viruses? Viruses are a set of the programs which can destroy the quality of the files in your PC. Next, what are the problems caused by the viruses? What was the problems that was caused by the viruses? Like it will hang your PC, it will slow down the speed of your PC, it will create many temporary files, it will delete your important information. So there are some problems which was caused by the viruses. Next, I told you protection against the virus. How we can protect our PC against the virus. So I told you that we can install antivirus programs, some other safety measures we can use. We can update our software regularly. Properly we should properly shut down our PC. We should create a backup of our files. We can install the firewalls. So these are some safety measures which we can use to protect our PC against the viruses. Next, antivirus programs. What is antivirus program and how many types of the antivirus softwares are there? We have discussed about these. Next, I told you about scanning and cleaning virus. I have taken an example of one antivirus software, that was the Quick Heal Total Security software, and how you can use this software, and how by using that software how you can scan the files, how you can scan the viruses in your PCs, and how you can clean that viruses and delete that viruses. All the steps I have declared in my last video. So I think up to here it is clear to you. And now in my today's video I am going to start preparing a maintenance schedule. This is a cleaning and scanning of viruses, but you can maintain a proper schedule in your PC that at the particular time, at the particular day, at the particular time it will automatically start to update your PC. So there are some features which we will discuss this under this maintenance schedule. First is the disk fragmentation. In this disk fragmentation, how you can fragment the drives in your PC, like C drive, D drive, E drive, whatever this is. Next, I will tell you how you can remove the temporary files in your PCs. Then how you can create the temporary files in the particular area of your PC, like C drive, D drive. These steps I will tell you. Next, removing the spam from your email account. Next is I will tell you that how you can remove the spam from your email account. What are the spam? Spam are the mails that comes in your email account by the unknown users. So these types of the mails which are unwanted mails which you don't want to read, that are known as the spam mails, and how you can avoid your email account from these type of the spam mails. So today, in my video, we will discuss these three features: disk defragmentation, removing temporary files, and removing spam from email account. So please come with me for the practical session. In this, we will discuss all these.
Now the first point for planning a maintenance schedule on a weekly basis, monthly basis, daily basis or yearly basis is disk defragmentation. So how you will open this window of the disk defragmentations? Firstly, you will click on the start, then all programs, then accessories. In accessories, you will go on system tools, and in this system tools, you will go on disk defragmenter. When you will click on this defragmenter, this type of window will open you. This type of window will open in front of you. When you will see this window, then you will have to select a drive for which you want a disk defragmentation. So here in this window we have selected the C drive. For the C drive we want a disk defragmentation, and then at the bottom right corner you will click on defragment disk. then the defragment disk process will be started. And you can also planning a schedule to defragment the disk. ये तो अभी आपने डायरेक्ट डिस्क को डीफ्रेगमेंट कर लिया, लेकिन अगर आप इसको एक प्लानिंग के वे पे करना चाहते हैं कि ऑन अ वीकली बेसिस, डेली बेसिस पर ये ऑटोमेटिकली उस टाइम पर रन करना स्टार्ट कर दे, देन यू हैव टू क्लिक द अपर बटन दैट इज कॉन्फ़िगर शेड्यूल. When you will click on this configure schedule, the next window disk defragmenter modify schedule window will open. This window. When you will click on the button configure schedule on disk fragmenter, then this window will open. In this window you can schedule it. Firstly, you will click on run on a schedule. You will right click on this. आपको इस शेड्यूल को रन करना है. जैसे ही आप इस पर रन पे क्लिक करोगे उसके बाद ये शो करने लग जाएगा फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है, मतलब आप इसको वीकली बेसिस रन करना चाहते हैं या मंथली बेसिस या डेली बेसिस. यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट वन ऑप्शन फ्रॉम हेयर. नेक्स्ट, वीकली अगर करना चाहते हैं तो कौन से डे पर आप इसको शेड्यूल करना चाहते हैं, वेडनेसडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, विच एनी डे यू कैन सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम हेयर. नेक्स्ट, एट द टाइम. नाउ नेक्स्ट यू विल सेलेक्ट द टाइम, किस टाइम पर आप इसको शेड्यूल करना चाहते हैं. यू विल हैव टू गिव द नेम टाइम. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डिस्क. हेयर यू विल सेलेक्ट द डिस्क लाइक सी ड्राइव, डी ड्राइव, कौन से डिस्क को आप डीफ्रेगमेंट करना चाहते हैं. व्हेन एवर यू विल सेलेक्ट दिस ऑल ऑप्शन, देन दिस विल बी शेड्यूल एंड यू विल आफ्टर दिस यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस ओके बटन. और हर वीकली अगर हमने लिया है, जैसे इसमें हमने वीकली वेडनेसडे 1 AM पर हमने इसको शेड्यूल किया है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली सी ड्राइव की डीफ्रेगमेंटेशन होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी एवरी वेडनेसडे एट 1 o'clock. तो दिस विल स्टार्टेड ऑटोमेटिकली. बट द मेन थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट एट दैट टाइम योर PC शुड बी ऑन. उस टाइम पर PC ऑन होना चाहिए, तभी ये डिस्क डीफ्रेगमेंट स्टार्ट होगी. तो दिस इज़ द शेड्यूल फॉर डिस्क डीफ्रेगमेंट. अगर हम ये डीफ्रेगमेंट करते रहते हैं तो अगेन एंड अगेन ये शेड्यूल हुआ है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो हमारी फाइल्स हैं ये उसको सेव करेगा उन्हें एक एक्सीडेंट से. इट विल प्रिवेंट दैट फ्रॉम सच टाइप ऑफ फ्रॉम वेरियस टाइप ऑफ द डैमेजेस. दिस इज़ द डिस्क डीफ्रेगमेंट. Next is removing the temporary files. Many temporary files are automatically built up in your PC. So how you can remove these type of the temporary files like this. When you want to remove the temporary files, तो firstly you will have to start the drive. जिस ड्राइव में वो temporary files ओपन होती हैं, आपको उसको ओपन करना है. तो हम ड्राइव कैसे ओपन करते हैं. फर्स्टली वी क्लिक ऑन द कंप्यूटर आइकन ऑन द डेस्कटॉप, देन यू विल सेलेक्ट द ड्राइव फॉर विच यू वांट टू रिमूव द टेम्परेरी फाइल्स. सपोज आई हैव सेलेक्टेड द C drive, then I will right click on this C drive, then I will go on the property. When I will go on the property window, then this type of the local drive C drive property window this will be open like this. After that you will click on this disk cleanup. Here this is button is disk cleanup. जैसे ही whenever you will click on the disk cleanup, then you will press the OK button at the last. After disk cleanup, then at the last you will click on the OK button. Now the disk cleanup process will be started like this. जैसे ही disk cleanup process start होगा, this window will be open. Disk cleanup for C drive. Here you can select the files which you want to remove. For example, here is download program files, temporary internet file, offline web pages, recycle. जिसको भी आपने temporary files जिसमें remove करनी है, आप उसको select कर सकते हो. जैसे कि whenever we serve something on the internet, many temporary files are automatically they are inserted in our PC. So you can remove this type of the temporary internet file. You have to click, you will have to choose the options temporary internet file, your download program files, you will select this, and at the last there is option OK. You will click on this OK. Whenever you will click on this OK, you will get a message for confirmation for the deletion of the files, and then you have to click on the delete files button. Then all the temporary files from your computers will be deleted. Now I think this is clear to you that how we can maintain a schedule, how we can maintain a schedule on daily basis, weekly basis, to prevent our PC from various type of the damages. First I had told you about the disk fragmentation, and next I told you remove the temporary files. These two methods are clear to you. Now we will move the next, that is removing spam from the email account. Yes, now I am going to tell you about how you can remove the spam from your email account. What is spam? Many times I have told you, spam are the unwanted emails that you get from the unknown senders. जो आपके ईमेल अकाउंट में कुछ ऐसी ईमेल्स आ जाती हैं जो अनवांटेड ईमेल्स हैं और आपको you doesn't know that who has sent these mails, that are the spam mails. If we want to remove these type of spams from our email account, then how we can do this process? For remove, firstly we have to create a filter. Firstly we will use the filter features. So here I am going to tell you about how you can create a filter. Firstly you will open your Gmail account like this, that you can see in your window. Whenever you will open your Gmail account, it really looks like this, as in this. Here you will click on the search button, and in the search text box of the window, here is a pop-up box. Here you will click on the drop down arrow. When you will click on the drop down arrow, you will see this type of the search box window. From, to, subject, doesn't have, size, date, within search, all these options you can see here. Now at the last you can see there is the search button, and with the search button next there is the create filter. Then you have to click on this create filter button. Whenever you will click on this create filter button, then you will see this type of window. Next I am going to tell you how you can create a filter for a particular email account. Firstly you have to open your Gmail account. Click on the checkbox that is next to the email for which you want to create a filter. For example, here is the Shagun Thapiyal. I have selected this checkbox, and then I will click on the more icons, that is that is given above. जैसे ही मैंने मोर आइकन पे क्लिक किया, एक पॉपअप मेन्यू अपीयर हो गया. यू कैन सी मार्क एज रीड, मार्क एज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, ऐड टू टास्क, ऐड स्टार्स, वट एवर ऑप्शंस you want to select it for that. Then you can click the option this, and you can click on this also, filter messages like these. Whenever you will click on the filter messages like this, then a pop-up box will appear where you can enter the filter criteria. जो भी आपने criteria filter करना हो, उसको जो भी लिखना हो, उसमें से आप ये कोई भी option select कर सकते हैं and create on create filter button. Then the filter will be created for this particular email account. Clear? Next I am going to tell you how you can delete the spam. How you can delete the spams? Firstly, open your mail account, click on the more options on the left side of the pane and select the spam from the drop down list of the folders. When you will select the spam from the drop down list of the folders, then you have to click on delete all spam messages now. Whenever you will click on this delete all spam messages now, a dialog box will come to you for the confirmation like this. Then you have to click on this OK button for confirming this deleted messages. Then all the spam messages will be deleted from your email account. I think this is clear to you, that I have told you 3 things how you can create a filter. Next, how you can create a filter for a particular email account. And third, I told you how you can delete the spam. This is clear to you, and by using this you can maintain the quality of your software, या quality of your maintain the quality of your computers.
Yes, students, I think these 3 points are clear to you, and you have seen the practical of this, that how you can use the steps and you can perform these you can do this disk defragmentation, removing temporary files and removing spam from email accounts. This is clear. And now now today I have send you some PDF of the session 1, session 2 and session 3 of the unit 3. I have told the all chapters to you, and today I am also sending you some question answers related to these 3 sessions that you have to do in your notebook. And please complete your notebook according to unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3. Unit 1 and unit 2 question answer I have sent you last week, and today I am sending the question answer related to the unit 3. These are important questions, and please complete your notebook. I have sent the PDF to you, and by using this PDF you can write down the answers of these questions. And after 3-4 days you will get your books. I will send a messages in your WhatsApp group that from where you can get the book of your ITs according to your new syllabus. Till then, have a nice day.